Introducing Toibuble, an automatic detergent bubble maker. A good companion in your bathroom. Have you ever come across this embarrassing moment? Or spent time on the dirty toilet? Deal with the stains, germs, and odors. Hold on. Toibuble is what you need in your bathroom. Whatever you are worried about, will take care of it, keeps you away from the odors, splash, germs. Toibuble is designed stylish and simple, easy to install, easy to operate. Just press the button. It will automatically make detergent bubbles to cover the bottom of the toilet. The bubbles create a barrier to make sure there is no splash when you see it on the toilet. Also, it will trap the odor and the water and release fresh fragrances into the air, leaving the toilet free of germs, stains, and odors. Toibuble brings you a new experience of bathroom. Toibuble can be installed anywhere near your toilet in minutes. Just attach the tube to the toilet bowl. Add water and any other foamy liquid, such as toilet cleaner, hand sanitizer, disinfectant, detergent, etc. It will automatically make bubbles. Toibuble is Type-C fast charging with 1,800 mAh battery, can be used up to 80 times. Toibuble has an IPX5 waterproof rating. No worry about the water splash in bathroom. Toibuble is the best companion in your bathroom.
Every year, you consume at least 60 rolls of toilet paper just by sanitizing your private areas after using the bathroom. It hurts the environment badly. Actually, water is a better choice. It's time to upgrade your regular toilet seat to MoToilet, the smart bidet toilet seat that is not only more hygienic, but environmentally friendly. It has different nozzles under different modes, which are safer and cleaner. The unique bubble-style water spraying mode gives you the most gentle skin care. Installing it is incredibly easy. The simple knob operation makes it easier for the elderly and children to get started. At the same time, it also comes with an app, which connects via Bluetooth automatically and quickly recognizes your personal settings. It uses an instant heating system to avoid repeated heating of the water storage tank, which is more comfortable and sanitary. The seat of MoToilet has 3 different levels of smart heating. There are 2 sizes of U-shape and V-shape, which can match 90% of toilets. It's also designed based on the Bristol stool chart, so that it can track your health by sensing the type of stool you are passing. It is a diagnostic medical tool designed by Bristol Royal Infirmary to tell your health condition. MoToilet will give you the diet tips you need based on your health condition. Start living a healthier style today. Join us now and be one of the first to enjoy MoToilet.
Shine is reinventing the bathroom. Because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home, using brushes that just push germs around, while exposing our family and pets to harmful chemicals? And when anything goes wrong, even a simple fix warrants a call to an expensive plumber. What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes. Just attach the Shine sensors to the water line and toilet bowl. Pour in some tap water, place an eco-friendly pod into Shine, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. Developed in Japan to clean high bacteria environments around sushi, Shine uses electricity to transform the tap water into electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. Best of all, after it cleans your bowl, it turns back into a saline solution that's safe for plumbing and pets, leaving your bowl free of germs, sparkling clean, and smelling great, effortlessly. But when your toilet stops working, or takes forever to fill, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called Sam. Sam diagnoses your toilet problems in real time and notifies you with the issue, its cause, and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits and video call support to fix the issue. Now you're back in business without a plumber. But to really make your toilet smart, Shine can detect the first sign of a leak or flood. Because household leaks in the US waste up to 1 trillion gallons of water annually. That's the equivalent of leaving your shower running for nearly 1 million years. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.
Hi, I'm Chris, founder of Shine Bathroom. We're reinventing the bathroom because even though it's where we prepare ourselves for the day ahead, the average bathroom isn't prepared for us. Shine uses automation to fix this by creating a bathroom experience that anticipates our needs, conforms to our wants, and delivers the care we deserve. The Shine team has built and delivered millions of electronic devices across the planet, and now we invite you to join us on our next journey. Together, we'll build the bathroom experience we deserve, one Shine product at a time. Thank you for your support. Alexa, ask Sam to clean the toilet.
Okay, I'm cleaning your toilet.
Hi, I'm Richard, founder of Closet. At Closet, we love traveling and exploring. But some things, well, they just have to happen. So we made Cuddy, the first portable composting toilet, to let you go and explore. Unlike chemical toilets, dry composting toilets use nature's composting process instead of nasty chemicals in plastic bottles. Because they don't use water, they don't need emptying as often as chemical toilets, which gives you the freedom to go further, stay longer, and see more. But at Closet, we weren't satisfied with existing composting toilets, which require venting externally. This means cutting a hole in your beautiful tiny space, or worse, your boat. Instead, you can now go green and swap out your chemical toilet for a composting toilet anywhere you have 12 volts or more, quickly and easily. On the inside, Cuddy raises the bar for all composting toilets. It's the first composting toilet featuring a carbon filter to reduce odours, eliminating the need to vent externally. It's also the first composting toilet to feature a telescopic handle for the agitator. In addition, it's also the only composting toilet with a locking liquids bottle for bumpy roads or choppy seas. Before you use Cuddy for the first time, add a substrate to the solids bin, such as cocoa coir, hemp, or sustainable peat moss. Then, mix the pile to aerate and reduce odours after each use. When it's finally time to empty, simply lift the handle and remove the solids bin. Hold the phone. Yes, Cuddy is the first composting toilet to feature an agitator and a removable solids bin. While we were at it, we rounded off the corners to the solids bin and added handy things called handles to make emptying as quick and painless as can be. And yes, we think we're the first to have this handy feature too. For those of you thinking about using Cuddy, rather than what happens after you use him, we've given this a lot of thought. Probably too much if we're honest. When peeing, you just go, and any stray liquids will flow over the plates and into the urine bottle. If you have bigger fish to fry, just turn the knob and Cuddy's patent-pending 2-plate design opens the largest possible hole to reduce that feeling of target practice and let you focus on leveling up on Candy Crush. We need your help to bring the environmental benefits of composting toilets to more people by making them more affordable, more compact, and just downright better all round. If we reach our goal, your pledge will help fund the first production run of Cuddies, and in return, you'll get the best composting toilet ever made at around half the price of current market leaders. So please, back our project today and help us bring Cuddy to life.
Remember the automatic flushing toilets? You surely did dream of having one like that. What about having yours at home automated? A toilet that flushes your lid after you automatically. That idea pushed the companies to try to bring out the smart toilet experience. The problem? Those smart toilets do not know how to wait. They make the owners waste water, thus wasting money. The smart toilet that's been delivered isn't all that smart. Introducing Le Flusher, the smartest toilet flusher for everyone. It is affordable and very steady. This little device makes your toilet a lot smarter and your life much easier right out of the box. Here is why. Typically, automatic toilet flushers have a proximity sensor which enables them to detect when you're using the toilet, and when you're done, they immediately flush the toilet. Le Flusher is different. Le Flusher is smart enough not only to flush your toilet, but also to give you time to wipe and dispose of the materials, which allows you to flush everything at once. Otherwise, you would have to flush the toilet twice, which would not save you on water. Flusher can operate a half flush or a full flush depending on the time you spend on the toilet. With this mechanism, we can save you up to 11,980 gallons of water per year. The Flusher is brilliant. It can be installed and be up and running in just 4 easy steps. But here's the best point. Le Flusher isn't a dream, it is a sci-fi. It's real and it works. We spent over 7 months developing this technology, and more time than anyone during that period within the toilet. And in few short months, it can be yours. Your support on Indiegogo today will help us bring Le Flusher to your own toilet, to the US and the international market. So join us and help us make this amazing technology even better. And when you support today, you'll be among the first to experience Le Flusher at the lowest price. So come on, let's make it happen.